Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harman Study Vlog. Today we discuss the topic serum amylase. So first, amylase blood test is used to diagnose or monitor a problem with your pancreas. So जो amylase test है वो क्या monitor करता है problem with your pancreas. Then start with introduction. Amylase is an enzyme that hydrolyzes the starch or carbohydrates into simpler compound that is disaccharide maltose and some residual glucose. सो amylase एक ऐसा एंजाइम है जो हाइड्रोलाइज करता है स्टार्च और कार्बोहाइड्रेट इनटू सिंपलर कंपाउंड्स दैट इज डाइसैक्राइड माल्टोस and some residual glucose. This enzyme is found in animals, plants and microbes into three forms. जो एंजाइम है वो फाउंड होता है इन प्लांट्स एनिमल और माइक्रोब्स में इनटू थ्री फॉर्म्स दैट इज अल्फा अमाइलेस, बीटा अमाइलेस एंड थर्ड इज गामा अमाइलेस. Next, estimation of amylase methods name kinetic calorimetric method. Principle: the chromogenic substrate reagent contain 2-chloro-4-nitrophenyl alpha D malto trioside CNPG3. Alpha amylase enzyme hydrolyze it to release 2-chloro-4-nitrophenol CPNP and form 2-chloro-4-nitrophenyl alpha D maltoside CNPG2, maltodextrin G3 and glucose. सो क्रोमोजेनिक सबस्ट्रेट रिएजेंट क्या कंटेन करता है CNPG3. देन उसने कंटेन किया CNPG3. देन अल्फा अमाइलेस इंजाइम हाइड्रोलाइज देन रिलीज हुआ CPNP एंड फॉर्म CNPG2, G3 and G. So down equation is also related to the above written principle. So let's see equation. Then CNPG3, then alpha amylase hydrolyze and release CPNP, CNPG2, G3 plus G. Then the rate of formation of release 2-chloro-4-nitrophenol CPNP is directly proportional to the alpha amylase enzyme activity in the sample. The enzyme activity is measured by calorimeter at 405 nanometer. So जो rate of formation है release की CPNP वो directly proportional to the alpha amylase enzyme activity in the sample. और जो enzyme activity है वो measure करते हैं by calorimeter at 405 nanometer. Next requirements: test tube stand, serological pipettes, water bath or incubator, calorimeter, reagent, test kit, etc. Then reagents. The estimation kit has two reagents. Reagent 1 chromogenic substrate solution, reagent 2 standard reagent. Then procedure: take a test tube stand and place two clean and dry test tube. Then test tube stand लिया, place की two clean and dry test tube. Label the tube as test and standard. Pipette in the label tube as follows. Then label किया tubes को test and standard. Then pipette in the label tube as follows. Then see the table: reagent sample, test tube, standard tube. Then 1.0 ml chromogenic substrate solution in test tube, 0.02 serum sample in test tube. Mix thoroughly and incubate at 37 degrees Celsius for 1 minute. Then standard reagent 1.0 ml in the standard tube. Then mix well and measure the color intensity of the test and standard against chromogenic substrate reagent considered as blank at 405 nanometer. Then calculation: serum amylase international units per liter, OD of test upon OD of standard multiply concentration of standard reagent. Then normal values: serum amylase Caravage unit 60 to 180 Caravage unit. Serum amylase international units per liter in newborn 5 to 65 international unit per liter. In adults 25 to 125 international units per liter. Then clinical significance: serum amylase level increased in acute pancreatitis, obstruction of common bile duct, pancreatic duct, pancreatic injury from perforated peptic ulcer, acute salivary gland disease or other salivary gland disorder. So जो सीरम लेवल है, जो अमाइलेज लेवल है, वो इंक्रीज किस में होता है? इन एक्यूट पेनक्रियाटिस. एक्यूट पेनक्रियाटिस मीन्स इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ पेनक्रियास. Then obstruction of common bile duct. Obstruction of common bile duct means block. Obstruction mean block. Then blocked bile duct. Then pancreatic duct. Then pancreatic injury from perforated peptic ulcer. Then मतलब pancreatic injury from perforated peptic ulcer. Peptic ulcer and ulcer can go through all the layer of the digestive tract and form a hole. Then acute salivary gland disease or other salivary gland disorders. Then elevated level of this enzyme is also associated with renal disorder. जब कोई renal function test, renal related to kidney, जब कोई किडनी में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, renal related कोई disorder है, then इस इंजाम का लेवल भी elevate हो जाता है. Then carcinoma of lungs or ovaries. Carcinoma means common type of cancer. Then pulmonary inflammation, cerebral trauma, etc. Next is hyperamycemia. Hyperamycemia means जब इसका लेवल इंक्रीज हो जाता है, उस कंडीशन को हम बोलते हैं hyperamycemia. ये एसोसिएट करता है विद एक्यूट abdominal disorder, biliary dysfunction. Then acute abdominal disorder is a sudden abdominal pain, is related to the sudden abdominal pain, and biliary dysfunction is a functional disorder of gallbladder. Then serum amylase level decreased, that is hypoamycemia. जब इसका लेवल डिक्रीज हो जाता है हम उसको बोलते हैं hypoamycemia. इन ये एसोसिएट करता है इन क्रोनिक पेनक्रियाटिस, पेनक्रियाटिक कैंसर, हेपेटाइटिस एक्सेट्रा. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द amylase estimation by kinetic calorimetric method. Please subscribe, like, share, comment on my channel. Thanks for watching.